Definition and formula of electric dipole. Electric dipole is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance. Means two equal and opposite charges. Two equal means let we have to take a minus q charge and plus q charge. Two equal and opposite charges are separated by a distance, means small distance. So the distance is indicated by 2a. The distance between minus q and plus q is 2a. So the electric dipole is an arrangement of two equal means minus q charge and plus q charge. Two equal and opposite charges are separated by a distance. It is called electric dipole. So the electric dipole is indicated by P. Next one, the equation of electric dipole. It is indicated by P. P is equal to 2a into q means 2a. The distance between two charges. Two charges means minus q charge and plus q charge. And q is the charge of the magnitude of any charge. So P is equal to 2a into q. Next one, the SI units of electric dipole. 2a means distance between two charges. Minus q and plus q charge distance 2a. So the distance SI units are we have to take in meters. Next one, magnitude of charge means charge. SI unit of charge meter into coulomb. So the SI unit of electric dipole is meter coulomb. Equation is P is equal to 2a into q means the distance between two equal and opposite charges and the magnitude of the charge. Next one, the electric dipole. Let we have to take into electric dipole. The electric dipole we have to place it between the uniform electric field. The electric field is indicated by E bar. So the electric dipole placed between the suspended between the electric field. The electric dipole is plus q charge, minus q charge, and the angle made with the electric field is theta. The distance between two charges is 2a. Next one, let us discuss about the electric field intensity or electric field. So the electric field intensity or electric field it is indicated by E. So E is equal to equation. E is equal to formula F by Q naught or F by Q means F is the force, Q is the charge. Force per unit charge, force per test charge is called electric field intensity. So now the right F is equal to EQ means force is equal to EQ. The same way we have to take in two charges minus Q charge and plus Q charge. So the force acting on the plus Q charge. Next one, the force acting on the minus q charge. F is equal to minus EQ. Next one, F is equal to plus EQ. According to electric field intensity means force per unit charge, force per test charge is called electric field intensity. So F is equal to EQ. Let we have to discuss about the torque produced in the electric field. Force acting on the plus q charge is equal to F is equal to plus EQ. And second one charge minus q charge, force acting on the minus q charge. So the second force means minus q charge minus, so F is equal to minus EQ. So the two forces are positive force and negative force means the force acting on the plus q charge and force acting on the minus q charge. So F is equal to plus EQ, F is equal to minus EQ. But the resultant force on the electric dipole is 0. So the dipole can constitute the produce the torque in the electric field. So the produced torque is equal to formula R cross F. So the electric field produces torque is equal to R cross F, where F is the force, magnitude of the force, plus q charge due to and also minus q charge. R is the perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance we have taken from the figure 2a sin theta, and the force, magnitude of force is equal to EQ. So the values are substituted in tau. Tau is equal to R. R means perpendicular distance 2a sin theta. 2a sin theta, and F, magnitude of force. F is equal to plus EQ, F is equal to minus EQ. So we can write EQ. Next one, tau is equal to 2AQ. 2AQ. And the remaining one, E sin theta. Next one, tau is equal to 2AQ E sin theta. Next one, tau is equal to 2A into Q. Means definition of electric dipole. 2A into Q is equal to P. So let me have to write P. P is sin theta. Since electric dipole formula P is equal to 2A into Q. Next one, tau is equal to P cross E. So the equation is called when the electric dipole placed between the suspended between the uniform electric field, the produced torque, generating torque, tau is equal to P cross E.